Welcome to Lavka 5th grade ELA Read-Alouds. Open your Study Island lesson and be ready to listen and follow along. Today's lesson is Adjectives and Adverbs. Once you finish, you'll be ready to open your pathway to complete some practice questions. Adjectives and Adverbs. Adjectives and adverbs are words that describe other parts of speech. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. Adjectives answer questions like these: what kind, how many, which one. The pooch is funny. The adjectives funny describes the pooch. Adjectives follow being verbs like feel, taste, smell, sound, look, appear, and seem. Notice that in the sentences below there is no action being taken. Clarissa's singing sounds bad, not badly. Dad's cooking tastes awful, not awfully. The bakery smells sweet, not sweetly. I feel weak, not weakly. She seems unhappy today, not unhappily. The pictures appear dark, not darkly. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Adverbs answer questions like these: when, why, where, how. Many adverbs end in ly. Jane jumps happily. The adverb happily describes the verb jumps. Jane got really tired. The adjective tired describes the noun Jane. The adverb really describes the adjective tired. Jane went to bed unusually early. The adverb early describes the verb went. The adverb unusually describes the adverb early. Comparatives and superlatives. To show differences, we use comparative and superlative forms of adjectives and adverbs. Comparatives. The comparative form compares two things. Most adjectives with one syllable use er to form the comparative. Double the final consonant if it follows a vowel. Big becomes bigger. The new TV is bigger than the old one. Most adjectives with two or more syllables use the adverb more before the adjective to form. Delicious becomes more delicious. Ice cream is more delicious than fruit salad. For most adjectives with two syllables ending in y, drop the y from the ending and add ier to form the comparative. Messy becomes messier. My room is messier than my brother's. Superlatives. The superlative form compares three or more things. Adjectives with one syllable use est endings to form the superlative. Double the final consonant if it follows a vowel. Cold becomes cold-est. February was the coldest month last year. Adjectives with two or more syllables use the adverb most before the adjective to form the superlative. Comfortable becomes most comfortable. Shadow thinks that her bed is the most comfortable place in the house. For adjectives with two syllables ending in y, drop the y from the ending and add iest to form the superlative. Scary becomes scariest. Arnold is the scariest monster in my closet. Exceptions. There are many adjectives that do not follow the rules above. Here are a few. I would suggest you take a moment to pause this video and copy down the adjective and the comparative and superlative form in this list. It will help you as you go through completing your writing. To create negatives, use the verb less before the adjective to form the comparative and the adverb least placed before the adjective to form the superlative. For example, the adjective hot becomes less hot in the comparative form and least hot in the superlative. The adjective sad becomes less sad in the comparative and least sad in the superlative.